The American company Astranis aims to compete with Elon Musk, specifically his Starlink project. Next year, in partnership with the internet provider Orbitz, this microsatellite manufacturer plans to launch a spacecraft to provide broadband internet access to 2 million people in the Philippines. Astranis satellites have a significant advantage. They weigh no more than 880 pounds each, several times lighter than similar devices from other manufacturers. This feature allows multiple satellites to be launched at once, significantly reducing overall transportation costs to space and lowering the cost of services for end users. The satellite will orbit at a weight of about 22,000 miles above the Earth's surface, enabling internet coverage for all 7,107 islands of the Philippines. Korean company Robotics introduced the ultra-lightweight wearable robot WIM, designed to assist in walking or carrying heavy loads. The exoskeleton weighs only 3 pounds, and when folded, its dimensions are 9.37 by 4 by 2 inches. Putting on the robot can be done without any help, taking no more than 30 seconds. The innovation automatically collects information about posture and the user's movement style, allowing the robot to adapt to an individual's walking style. This ability allows one to go farther with the same amount of effort and reduces fatigue by 14 to 20%. Unlike similar devices, this exoskeleton allows sitting and even lying down, making it comfortable for everyday use. NeoOcean has started selling single-seat electric hydrocycles, the Overboat 100F, equipped with retractable underwater wings. Thanks to the unique design, this hydrocycle uses only 10% of the energy needed by a motorboat with an internal combustion engine to move at a similar speed. This efficiency is achieved due to the absence of friction between the hydrocycle's hull and the water. The craft literally glides above the ocean surface thanks to its retractable wings. Automatically deploying at a speed of 12 miles per hour, these wings allow for safe departure from the harbor. The new model also has an autopilot mode, making it suitable not only for entertainment, but also as an unmanned vehicle for search and rescue operations. The device operates autonomously for about 2 hours, taking about the same time for a full charge from 0 to 100. Chinese automaker Polestar and StoreDot have unveiled the world's first electric car that can provide a driver with a range of 100 miles after just 5 minutes of being plugged into a charging station. According to the developers, this extremely fast charging technology allows for recharging the battery from 10 to 80% in a record-breaking 10 minutes. Impressive, isn't it? Moreover, as claimed by the creators, implementing such technology could be done within the existing formats of battery blocks without any revolutionary changes in the battery design. Thus, automakers won't need to modify the structure of already existing models of electric cars. This in turn is expected to bring this technology to the market in the near future. By the way, the mass production of Polestar cars with this extremely fast charging technology is scheduled to begin in 2025. Let's talk about an invention called T-Roller, which looks like an ordinary ring. Made of titanium, its main secret is that it easily replaces the heavy and bulky tape measure. It consists of a measuring device with 2 parts, an outer fixed part and a freely rotating inner part. When the ring rolls along a surface, the inner part rotates and emits loud clicks every 5 inches. This way, you can measure any length by counting the number of clicks and multiplying them by 5. This tool is especially valuable for measuring the length of items with complex shapes, where using a tape measure is inconvenient. Plus, the ring is compact and can be carried along with keys as a keychain. Mechanical engineer David Jackson from Los Angeles has developed the Speedboard electric skateboard, capable of racing at car-like speeds, The board features a chain drive and can reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. It's powered by a 4,000-watt electric motor, drawing energy from removable lithium-ion batteries housed within the board's body. Depending on the rider's weight and riding style, one battery charge covers a distance of 15 to 25 miles. Speed and braking are controlled using a handheld remote resembling a pistol grip. Additionally, the electric skateboard is equipped with 10.3-inch pneumatic tires, enabling it to traverse rough terrains like gravel roads. Weighing in at 26 pounds, the skateboard costs around $2,000. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is an original foldable smartphone with two screens, a flexible inner display and a classic outer one. Thanks to its foldable design and a large external screen, the smartphone's main camera can be used for selfies. With the Flex Cam mode and autofocus, taking personal or group selfies hands-free is easy, just a voice command or gesture. The external screen also shows notifications, and you can reply to text messages without unfolding the smartphone. Additionally, there's no need for special cases or stands to watch short videos or make video calls. You can simply place the smartphone on a table and fold it at about a 90-degree angle. When folded, the gadget is compact enough to easily fit even in a small shirt pocket. Café Bueno has developed an innovative way to recycle coffee grounds into high-quality ingredients. Currently, this leftover waste is either dumped in landfills emitting methane and CO2, or reused as biofuel or compost. Café Bueno turns this otherwise wasted resource into a business opportunity. In its labs, the company produces high-quality coffee oil and other natural ingredients from coffee grounds, selling them to cosmetics and personal care product manufacturers. According to the developer, every ton of produced coffee oil prevents the emission of 56 tons of CO2 into the atmosphere. Currently, the company can process up to 500 tons of coffee grounds per year at its plant in Denmark. However, it plans to open similar facilities worldwide in the future. At the Tokyo Auto Show, Subaru unveiled its vision of future urban transportation, the Air Mobility Concept, a concept flying vehicle. It is an unmanned flying drone with an electric power system and a two-seater cabin. The vehicle looks futuristic with 6 lift rotors placed around the cabin. The concept design matches the overall brand style, and if anyone has doubts, the Subaru inscription on the drone's rear quickly dispels them. Specific technical details about the vehicle are yet to be disclosed. However, the company claims they're continuing to work on the project alongside their aerospace division and plan to test the drone's flying capability soon. Introducing a robot you can control using virtual reality. Nadia humanoid robot is designed like other humanoid robots. It can move and perform tricks like Boston Dynamics' Atlas and handle objects like NASA's Valkyrie, but works in a completely different way. With Nadia, you can connect using virtual reality. When a person enters the virtual space, the robot picks up all the operator's movements and mimics them. This means you can use Nadia for remote surgical operations, work in hazardous factory environments, or even cook dinner while you're at work. When doing research and carrying out manipulating activities, Nadia aims to operate as near to human speed as possible. In the near future, Nadia could become one of the most versatile robots with a wide range of applications. This speaker uses dancing ferrofluid to visualize music. It was created by artist Dr. Jung, who wanted a new way to show music visually. He used ferrofluid, a substance filled with tiny magnetic particles. The thick black droplet reacts to electromagnetic waves and dances in sync with the sounds being played. It's fun to watch this dancing liquid, originally developed by NASA for fuel delivery and rocket engines. While it didn't serve its original purpose, ferrofluid found another practical use. You can play relaxing music, and the droplet will slowly move around or switch to lively rock, and it'll jolt like a fan at a rock concert. The speaker has already successfully completed pre-sales, and all 80 limited editions were sold out in less than an hour. The future car park designed by Daniel Statham Studio is a futuristic oasis for you and your car. Situated in the central business district of Hangzhou, as you drive into the parking lot, you need to reserve your spot and parking time. Then an automated system guides your car to the designated spots while you head off to relax. From the outside, the future car park resembles futuristic towers, where cars are hoisted by a lift to the parking level with 500 parking spaces. Simultaneously, the towers ascend and transform into a connected rooftop shape featuring entertainment venues and gardens, offering everyone the perfect spot to unwind. MaxVan is a groundbreaking cargo expansion system that you can assemble like building blocks. This unique system aims to assist professionals and travelers who sometimes need more space in their vehicles. MaxVan comes in a box like a building set and is super easy to assemble. No attachment system is needed, and one person can set it up in less than 5 minutes without any tools. Unlike getting a larger vehicle or trailer, your van remains as maneuverable, and you keep your speed limits, fuel economy, and agility. Yet, your vehicle's cargo capacity gets boosted by 88%. Using MaxVan doesn't require any documents or registration. You can even check compatibility with your specific vehicle on the manufacturer's website. Motorola has released a foldable smartphone that doubles as a bracelet. At the Lenovo Tech World 2023 Expo, the company unveiled an exciting concept, a smartphone that breaks traditional boundaries. It boasts a flexible display allowing it to transform from a regular phone into a standalone device, or even into a wrist accessory resembling a bracelet. But that's not where the innovation ends. The smartphone features built-in artificial intelligence. The neural network can turn any photo into art, such as creating wallpapers based on your clothing. Equally impressive is the Moto AI voice assistant. It's built on a sophisticated language model to assist with information search and downloads. The smartphone is equipped with a 6.9-inch POLED display with FHD Plus resolution, a powerful processor, enhanced cameras with document scanning capabilities, and other modern phone perks. The hoverbike from sci-fi movies is becoming a reality. Inspired by Star Wars, the X-Turismo hoverbike aims to be the new symbol of next-gen air mobility, ready to conquer the skies. With its sleek design, this motorcycle can reach speeds up to 62 miles per hour and has a range of 25 miles. The X-Turismo features a hybrid power system comprising an internal combustion engine and 4 electric motors, along with 6 propeller fans. Weighing around 660 pounds, it can carry up to 220 pounds of payload. What's more, the X-Turismo isn't classified as an aircraft and doesn't require a pilot's license. Initially priced at $777,000 upon release, developers hope to introduce a smaller version by 2025, aiming to reduce its cost to around $50,000. Hyundai Mobis unveiled 2 concept cars that can adapt to users' needs. Each car is designed for city mobility, with a revamped control system and body. You can outfit your vehicle with various devices like cameras, radars, lidars, communication lighting, and more depending on what you need. Integrating driving, braking, steering, and suspension systems into one module allowed for the placement of the engine inside each wheel. This enables diverse movements including crab motion, 360-degree turns, and diagonal driving. Changes have also been made inside the cabin. The new cars have movable seats that can fold or rotate, allowing passengers to adjust the interior space as needed. Even someone in a wheelchair can comfortably fit inside. The latest innovation is augmented reality, projecting a virtual dashboard directly into the air, opening up unprecedented possibilities. Kuat has developed one of the most innovative and versatile truck bed racks on the market. The Ibex isn't just a rack for transporting bikes, boards, cargo boxes, or other accessories. It doubles as a truck bed cover, concealing and securing the cargo with a lock. It's designed with adjustable vertical tubes to regulate height, allowing users to raise or lower the load based on what they're carrying. The system's modularity allows it to adapt to various cargos. For instance, you can install panels around the trailer to hold smaller items, or set up a bike stand on the side of the vehicle. Whether it's camping, hunting, fishing, or just a road trip, the Ibex comes in handy. If one monitor isn't enough for you, then take a look at Duo One. It's a portable external monitor system that doesn't have just one, but two displays to connect to your desktop computer or laptop. Foldable, Duo One turns into a vertically oriented dual 4K display, positioned at eye level to enhance your productivity. With 17.3-inch displays equipped with an adjustable hinge between them, you can orient the screens at different angles. You can move files and folders from one monitor to the other, and the seamless frame rate ensures smooth processing. Both displays support touch input, offer a color gamut representing 1.06 billion different shades, and boast a peak brightness of 500 nits, making them ideal for gaming, graphic design, video editing, coding, presentations, and everything else you need. Canadian scientists tackled the challenge of navigating through deep, freshly fallen snow by introducing the world's lightest snowmobile, the Widescape WS250. It looks like a scooter on the outside. The model has an aluminum frame and a lightweight design, keeping the total weight under 198 pounds. The snowmobile's standout feature is the absence of a seat. Riders stand on a platform. It has one wide front ski and a rear track. It runs on a 0.242-liter four-stroke gasoline engine. The center of gravity is shifted forward, ensuring stability and excellent maneuverability. This weight distribution allows the front ski to lay the track for the rear track, reducing the latter's width to minimal sizes while keeping the ground contact height at just 38 millimeters. Inventors from Germany introduced the ALF 130 QM truck, an advertising truck that transforms into 130 square meters in just 20 minutes. By the way, it is named after the area it covers. This vehicle allows hosting marketing campaigns, creating an entire show, and can be set up literally in the middle of a field. It's suitable for exhibitions, races, open-air museums, and various sports events. The unique concept relies on a sliding platform that forms two large halls with glass walls on the side of the truck, creating an open space inside without partitions. Tinted glass protects visitors from direct sunlight. There's also a viewing area on the roof with umbrellas and chairs. The platform is based on hydraulic supports, allowing it to be set up on uneven surfaces. All controls are automatic and operated via remote control. For people who've had a stroke, spinal cord injury, or face mobility limitations due to age, the Psionic sock was developed to aid walking. It's worn on the leg and secured with two Velcro straps. The device is powered by a small battery pack on the thigh. Electrodes make contact with the body under the material, while control comes from a smartphone app. When this happens, the software studies the person's walking patterns and movements, then starts assisting by sending short electrical pulses to specific muscles. Using voltage, it boosts muscle strength even in weakened limbs from conditions like cerebral palsy (CP) and other illnesses. giving people the confidence to walk independently on their feet, climb stairs, and sit. The psionic sock is slim and fits snugly on the leg, allowing it to be worn discreetly under clothing. The German company Rheinmetall unveiled the new Panther KF-51 tank at a show in France, set to replace the Leopard 2 as the main tank for the German army. The only similarity with the Leopard 2 remains in the tracked platform, well known for its off-road capabilities. The main cannon has been upsized to handle 5.11-inch shells, compared to the previous 4.72-inch ones, with a combat load of 20 such projectiles. The cannon system is now automatic, eliminating the need for a loader among the crew. Alongside the upgraded cannon, the Panther KF-51 has a paired 0.5-inch machine gun and an additional 0.3-inch machine gun module at the rear. Instead of direct optical openings, the turret relies on cameras transmitting images to internal monitors for front, rear, and side views. Thicker armor is added for top-down protection. Additionally, the tank's armament includes 4 kamikaze drones deployed from launch containers. 2 scientists from Arc Flash Labs have created the handgun Gauss EMG-01, an electromagnetic rifle that's much more powerful than pneumatic guns and is no louder than a crossbow. This innovation falls into civilian arms and is available for purchase. Some of its parts, like the stock, coil holder, and magazine, are 3D printed. The rifle operates on a 25-volt battery that fully recharges the coils in 3 seconds. If maximum shot power is needed, the trigger can be pressed more frequently. The projectile diameter is 0.5 inches with cartridge lengths available in 1.25, 1.65, or 2.04 inches. The magazine holds 10 rounds. On top of the body, there's a small LCD display showing coil temperature, battery charge, and capacitor status. For targeting in low-light conditions, there's illuminations and a laser sight. The Moss AI panel was developed to help you breathe cleaner air at home or in the office. It has a glass wall with moss inside, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. To keep it alive without roots, there's a hidden water reservoir that, when heated, turns into vapor. It can either envelop the plant or be released outward, moisturizing the indoor air. An opening for the steam passage is controlled by a magnetic ball. Additionally, the moss acts as a natural filter, trapping airborne dust particles. The device looks stylish with LED lighting resembling a mini terrarium. It fits well on desks, bedside tables, or coffee tables. To quickly clear the snow on airport runways, the Jet Broom Cleaner was developed with the patented Quattro Jet cleaning system. Alongside a huge bulldozer-like shovel, it uses a sweeping block measuring 236 inches long, with a brush diameter of 45 inches. There are nozzles placed in front and behind the brush, supplying compressed air. The front nozzles blow off snow, dirt, and water from the brush itself, while the rear ones blow through the swept surface, leaving it as clean as possible. The cleaning system's positioning is controlled from the vehicle's cabin via a touchscreen display that visually shows the brush's status. Once the area is cleared, the 236-inch cross module takes a longitudinal position, tucking under the frame. This helps reduce the dimensions of the vehicle, allowing it to move freely on public roads. Deploying the cleaning machine takes about 5 seconds, and the smart automation automatically connects the blowing unit to the compressor. The new startup Arc has developed the Arc 1 boat for water sports and leisure, powered by an electric motor. The vessel is equipped with a 220 kilowatt-hour battery, 3 times larger than that of a Tesla Model Y, and generates up to 500 horsepower. The weight in this case has been a plus. During speed tests, the watercraft showed remarkable stability and maneuverability. The 24-foot aluminum boat features a full windshield and soft sofas at the stern. It's controlled via a steering wheel and a touchscreen display showing key data. On a single charge, the boat can sail for up to 4 hours at a speed of 40 miles per hour. That range is enough for a whole day of exploring various harbors with occasional stops for swimming and fishing. Jasper Mallinson has created a groundbreaking invention, an exoskeleton with a one-handed machine featuring numerical control programming (CNC). The control unit is worn on the operator's back like an open backpack. All the microchips remain on the surface. The working tool resembles a lightweight frame, and the CNC mechanism is attached to the hand, allowing free movement across 6 axes. Thanks to computer control, the user can perform complex tasks single-handedly, carving intricate patterns on wood, creating bends in metal, welding delicate materials, and more. The precision is ensured by the 6-axis bracket. The one-handed exoskeleton is convenient to carry to the worksite rather than bringing the parts to the workshop. Mechamorphous suits inventors, scientists, designers, engineers, enabling them to create necessary elements on site. Experiment using controlled mobile equipment and software. It paves the way for creative freedom in the future. The Bisimple became the world's first bike without a chain drive, with the ability for its wheels to turn independently. Instead of the traditional triangular frame, it has 2 parallel horizontal tubes. The handlebars and seat are mounted on top while the wheel forks are placed below. The rear wheel hub houses the pedals. In regular bikes, only the front wheel turns, but here both the front and rear wheels have equal maneuverability, significantly reducing the turning radius. It can practically turn on the spot. It also allows for straight movement with the handlebars and front wheel to the side, not on a single axis with the rear. This helps maintain balance while riding over rocks and other obstacles. Bisimple features hydraulic front brakes for stopping. Its only drawback is the absence of gears, making uphill riding more challenging. For outdoor enthusiasts, there's a 3-in-1 camping system called Space Acacia, designed to make outdoor living easier. It sets up in just a few seconds. The system includes a 6-inch inflatable floor with 4 layers. This inflatable floor doubles as a comfy bed, protecting against cold and rough terrain. The tent features a super sturdy canopy that pops up in seconds, offering protection from weather, gusts up to 40 miles per hour, rain, or other unexpected surprises that might catch a traveler off guard. Its waterproof hood lets you regulate the temperature inside and shields you from the sun. The thermal insulation keeps warmth inside even in freezing temperatures. With this tent, outdoor relaxation comes with comfort. At the New York Presbyterian Hospital, they've started using the latest robotic surgery technology for heart procedures. Thanks to super precise manipulators, tools, and high-resolution cameras, the team of heart surgeons can perform complex surgeries through tiny incisions on the body. The surgeon operates from a console controlling specialized robotic arms, rather than being directly over the patient. Using this robotic equipment allows doctors to access the chest cavity through several small incisions as narrow as an ordinary pencil. This method is more precise, and the high-resolution camera helps the medical team thoroughly examine problematic areas. The robotic cardiosurgery team is currently specializing in various heart procedures. This innovative approach has already proven its effectiveness on hundreds of patients who've successfully undergone surgery and are now leading full lives. The Stinger trailer is a new trailer designed for easy loading and transporting of smart cars. Its main feature is its foldable design. Folding or unfolding it is easy, taking just a few seconds and manageable even for one person. When folded, its width is 28 inches, just like a regular lawnmower, so it won't take up much space in your garage. The body is made of durable yet lightweight materials, and it can be adjusted for different car models. The Stinger can easily hitch onto a mobile home, making it perfect for travel enthusiasts who want to bring an extra car along. The hot block insulation system is an innovative solution that can almost completely prevent heat loss through a house's walls or roof. It's made of lightweight blocks of expanded clay concrete with internal insulating layers made of polystyrene foam. These insulators inside the blocks, shielded by a strong protective base, make them durable and incredibly safe. Weather conditions or physical impacts won't affect the home's thermal insulation unless the blocks themselves are destroyed. You can build complete buildings from these bricks, and the construction process is similar to that of assembling Lego blocks. The lightweight blocks have convenient handles for transport, fitting tightly together, and requiring mortar only for horizontal connections. Buildings constructed using hot block could be called energy-efficient homes needing minimal heating. Gentex have introduced a new car window dimming system. Depending on the time of day, lighting, and other factors, the smart glass will adjust its tint level for the maximum comfort of the driver and passengers. The technology relies on chemicals that change color when an electric current passes through them. The brightness can either be controlled manually or using a smart system, depending on the car owner's preferences. Besides the windshield, this technology is used for the car's sunroof to reduce the interior temperature on hot days. It could even help lower carbon dioxide emissions by reducing air conditioner use, thereby improving fuel efficiency. Vabroom is an incredible wireless 2-in-1 broom and vacuum cleaner. Despite looking like a regular broom, it has a powerful suction mechanism activated by tilting the device. With this system, it can clean almost any kind of dirt on various surfaces. The device comes with a built-in battery that allows the vacuum to work for up to 45 minutes, enough to clean the whole house. You won't need a dustpan with this device. All the dirt and dust are collected in a container. To empty it, you just need to press a button and dispose of the dirt into the trash can. For water sports enthusiasts, Takuma has introduced an innovative towable boat called e-tow. It lets you enjoy surfing, water skiing, wakeboarding, or foiling on your own. The boat's body is designed to handle big waves and tipping over without worries. Compared to jet skis and similar water vehicles, e-tow needs minimal maintenance, is easy to put into the water, and straightforward to use. 2 batteries give it a runtime of 60 to 85 minutes. The boat can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour and is controlled via a portable remote control. Riders can use it within a range of 1.5 kilometers. Alternatively, a trainer can handle it with a more powerful remote, making it easier for beginners to learn water sports. What happens when ancient myths meet modern technology? You get the incredible Eye of Horus watch from the Sega Design X series. By blending Egyptian mythology and contemporary craftsmanship, these watches highlight their otherworldly nature, offering a 360-degree view of all the intricate mechanisms visible to anyone. The X-shaped skeleton perfectly complements the Eye of Horus symbol, ensuring not just structural stability but also directing attention to your accessory. The waterproof black casing, strap, and obsidian winding head stylishly complement the complex mechanism and design. The glowing green elements on the hands, scales, and eye make it easy to tell time in the dark. Plus, the price of the product is currently only $200. A team of engineers from the University of Utah has developed a motorized bionic leg prosthesis based on artificial intelligence. This device is designed to help people with amputated limbs walk, stand, sit, and navigate stairs easily and naturally. The bionic leg is equipped with special sensors and gyroscopes that determine its position in space. Signals from these sensors go to a processor which instantly processes them using AI. The AI automatically adjusts joint behavior for various activities, walking, climbing, or descending. The leg also has movable toes that provide greater stability and comfort while walking. All of this together allows users to intuitively and continuously control the prosthesis as if it were their real leg. And here's a little gadget that'll come in handy for bike riders, e-scooter users, or anyone on two wheels. The smart LED signal Click Light is a system that makes you visible to cars. It attaches to your back with a special system or can be mounted on a backpack. It acts like turn signals in a car. With its powerful 6,000 lumen LEDs, drivers can see you clearly from up to 400 meters away. It's more effective than the usual bike signaling system. Plus, with Click Light, you can safely indicate to drivers your maneuver plans without taking your hands off the handlebars. It's especially useful in busy cities during dark hours, rainy weather, or foggy conditions. Snorlax has created an innovative solution against snoring. Special multi-layered straps that attach to your cheeks. Unlike various nose plugs, caps, or chin straps, this solution doesn't cause discomfort, and you don't need to get used to sticky plates. These disposable strips can apply enough pressure to keep airways open when muscles relax. They come with a special adhesive that's entirely hypoallergenic and suitable for sensitive skin. You can also stick them under your chin, and they're easy and painless to remove in the morning. As claimed by the manufacturer, this solution is the best and most comfortable anti-snoring aid available right now. Thanks to these innovations, our lives are becoming more comfortable, safer, and more exciting. These gadgets certainly deserve the attention of tech enthusiasts. In our upcoming videos, we'll be sharing information about new inventions and technologies. Which invention did you like the most? Share your thoughts in the comments under the video.